Hi guys. As you've probably noticed, like on AliExpress, there are literally millions of products you can find, and also lots and lots of sellers, because AliExpress is basically a platform where buyers and sellers meet. So today we're going to look at how to find great sellers and great products, and we'll do that by looking at buyer and seller ratings. So let's take a look at an example. Let's say I'm looking for a Xiaomi mobile phone. All right. In my search results, I actually can find already a lot of information about these products. So if I look, for instance, at this product, I can see two things. I can see the buyer rating, which is shown in stars. So this one has an average of 5 stars, which is the maximum. So that's quite good. And also here you will find the seller rating, and this can be different. You can see here it's 5 diamonds. Here it's 2 crowns. Here it's a crown. Let me see if I can find another example for you guys. Here, this one has a medal. So how does it really work? Like new sellers, they start with medals, and the more they sell and the more feedback they receive, the more medals, or at least if it's positive feedback, of course, the more medals they receive. And once they've had more than 5 medals, they go up to diamonds, and then once they've had more than 5 diamonds, they go up to crowns. So going back to the first one, you can see this is quite a good product because it gets 5 stars from the buyer. So, and also it has already 5 diamonds. So let's have a look at this one. So to find out more about the seller, I can also have a look at here. I can see, well, like I said before, he has 5 diamonds. He gets, wow, 99.1% positive feedback. And here also, this is like some seller ratings. It's mostly other buyers, how they rate the seller, right? So is the item is described? How's the communication with the seller? How's the shipping speed? Is it fast enough? And you can also see this is all out of 5, so 4.9, 4.8. It's quite high. So if I look at the seller rating in general, I can count on it that I can trust this seller. And also if I look at the buyer feedback, like I said before, buyer feedback is always shown in stars. So this one gets a 5 out of 5, so that's really good. And then if you want, you can also take a look at, some feedback. Maybe this is a bit easier. There's some Russian here. You can read feedback from other people, right? Or I can look for feedback with pictures, for instance. Now, how can I leave my own feedback? Let's take a look. So you go to My AliExpress. So you can click here or here. And if you go to the left, you see my orders, and here is Manage Feedback. So if I click on that, you see here some guidelines. Here it says that you can leave feedback within 30 days after you've received your item. So here, for instance, there are some clothes that I bought before, and I still have 13 days to leave feedback. So I can click on this. All right, and I can rate this transaction. So 1 star means, well, you see, I'm not satisfied at all, to 5 stars, I'm very satisfied. So let's say I'm very happy with this dress. And here I can also give some more information. And this is really useful also for other buyers. If you're not that happy, it's also good to explain, like why, maybe the size wasn't right or something. It really helps other buyers to find the right products, right? And what you can do also is you can upload pictures. And this is, again, also really helpful because especially with things like here, I bought clothing, for instance, it's really nice for other people to see as well. Like, okay, how does it fit, And yeah, I can do that for all the other products as well. And then I can click here, leave my feedback. And then that's it. All right. See you next time.